Baby, are you eating, my love? Say good morning, everybody. I'm having my breakfast. Oh, baby, yes. Yes, you having your breakfast? Good job, baby. So he's having his egg, strawberries, and prunes. Oh, baby. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Turn this down here. So right now I'm actually gonna be going to the store real quick. As you guys saw, I just gave my son his breakfast. So he's actually eating right now. And my mom and dad are home, so they're gonna watch him real quick. I just need to go to the store to get some bread because I'm gonna make my husband some tortas that he... Oh my gosh, my hair is a freaking mess back here. Gonna make my husband some tortas for breakfast. He's actually on his way home from work. He actually did go to work today. So he's on his way home though, which is good. I'm gonna go ahead and try to vlog today for you guys. I know I haven't really been vlogging this week at all. My son just has been keeping me busy as always. But I'm gonna try to vlog today, and I think we might go to the mall because I need to buy my son some new shoes because his shoes are like barely fitting him now. He just is growing out of them so quickly, and yeah, he needs new shoes. So hopefully I do find some for him. We actually went the other day, but I really didn't see any that I liked. So hopefully today I do find some for him. And so yeah, guys, I have been working on an intro for my channel. And I did create one. You guys are gonna see it in this vlog. So I'm so excited to show you guys because it's just something that I've been wanting to just kind of like put together for my channel. And I love it. I honestly do love it. I feel like it might be a little too long, so I'm gonna show you guys on this vlog, so make sure you stick to the end to go ahead and watch that. And yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go now because my husband's on his way. We'll see you guys right now when I get back. Here is the torta. I put chorizo, panela, ham, tomato, onion, a little bit of avocado because I don't like it too much, and then jalapenos. Is it good?
Good.
Dominic, what are you having over there, huh? Some bread too? Time to eat. Dominic, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you being a travieso? Mama? Why mama? Huh? What are you doing? He loves to mess with my pillows, huh? You love to mess with my pillows. There's no more pillows. You put them all up there. Why? Put them back. Te vas a marear, baby. Don't do that. I like your shirt. Where's Mickey Mouse? That's Mickey Mouse? Good job, baby. Good job, my love. Can I see Mickey Mouse? Where's Mickey Mouse? Oh, you're putting them back? Oh, that's Mickey Mouse? Oh, good job. What are you gonna watch? Coco? Hmm? You big boy? Who's that? Hey guys, so I just finished getting ready. My son actually just woke up from his nap and my husband's still sleeping. But once my husband wakes up, he's gonna go ahead and take a shower, and then we're gonna be going to the mall to hopefully find some shoes for my son that I've been wanting to get him some new shoes because he barely fits the ones that he is using right now. I think I actually mentioned to you guys earlier, but yeah, that's the plan for the rest of the day. But I can't wait any longer, guys. I want to show you guys our new intro, and I hope you guys do enjoy it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you.
So yeah guys, that is our new intro and I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, how you guys like it, or if it's too long, or just what you think overall. But I tried my best to keep it short, but I know it is on the longer side, but I hope you guys don't mind, because I know myself with other channels, I sometimes skip the songs, but at times when I do love that song, I just let the intro play. So now for the intro, I'm only gonna be playing the intro on vlogs and like possibly shop with me's and day in the lives and stuff like that. I'm not gonna be playing it like when I do my cleaning videos, or if I do a sit down video or anything like that, just because I don't think it would just go with those type of videos. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. All right guys, so I'm getting dressed, but I'm not sure what shoes I should wear. So it's pretty hot outside, so I'm definitely not wearing probably a jacket. I will show you guys my outfit right now, but I am thinking of wearing sandals. So I'm thinking of using my Valentino sandals. These ones right here. I actually haven't really worn these this summer, so I think I'm gonna go with these here. I love these sandals. They're so pretty. Let me just put them on. So that's how they look on my feet. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit right now when I go. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you my outfit of the day. So I'm just wearing a black tank top because it's super hot outside. And then I have my sweater here just in case I do get cold inside of the mall. Have on my leggings. And then I have on my Valentino, and the bag that I'm using today is my Louis Vuitton Never Full. So yeah guys, this is my outfit for today. My son is all ready and my husband's ready as well. We actually are about to head out. My husband actually just took my son downstairs, so we are gonna be going. And yeah, I'll go ahead and take you guys with us. Let's go guys. You show them your outfit, baby. What are you wearing, huh? You're Mickey Moused out, huh? You have all Mickey Mouse, huh, baby? Your shirt and then your cup. Dominic. This is him. Every time I'm trying to film him, he turns away. Can I see your shirt, baby? Please? Please? Can I see your shirt? Please? Say please. Please. Good job, baby. Alright guys, so we are gonna be going right now. We just got here to the mall. So my husband's just taking out my son.
Come on, buddy. Oh, you're a big boy. Oh, you're a big boy.
Big boy. You big boy. Hey, cute baby. Dominic.
Good job, bud.
You're so cute. You're so cute. So we came here to the Stone Ridge Mall. I don't know, that's just scary. That's like a big one. So we are gonna go downstairs, but...
It's scary.
Yeah! So we're going down the escalators, and look how my husband has my son. Let me turn this over. What? Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. We are bringing my son to the play area, but looks like there's a lot of kids right now. So we might come back. There he goes. Oh, thanks. Oh, yeah, put it in the bag. Thank you. Careful, baby. Dominic. Get down, baby. That's a Paw Patrol car. Bye, Dominic. Bye, baby. He doesn't want to.
Watch your head. Watch your head. Look.
Who's that?
Hey, look. Look. Shoes for you, bud. Which ones do you want? Which ones do you want? Smack her. Coco, Coco, Coco. Yeah. Beat her up.
Oh, you want a cracker? That's what you said, a cracker. Okay.